Building an e-commerce store used to mean endless product uploads, sleepless nights, and guesswork. But in 2025 and beyond, AI like ChatGPT is flipping the script. Imagine launching a polished, profitable store in minutes, without coding, design skills, or a massive budget. Today, I'll show you exactly how to automate product descriptions, crush SEO, and even outsource customer service to AI. Let's go! Picture this. Sarah, a determined entrepreneur, has spent weeks buried in spreadsheets, product listings, and caffeine-fueled late nights. Her laptop screen is a maze of half-built Shopify pages and unanswered customer emails. But everything changes when she discovers ChatGPT. With a simple prompt, "Help me organize my sustainable fashion store," the chaos unravels. The AI suggests a minimalist green vibes theme, aligns her branding colors, and even drafts a mission statement that resonates with her audience. Within minutes, Sarah's dashboard transforms from a cluttered nightmare to a streamlined hub. For WooCommerce fans, plugins like CodeWP turn ChatGPT prompts into custom PHP code. ChatGPT writes the snippet and you just copy and paste. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's break down the magic. Meet Alex, a developer at a startup incubator. His team needs to launch a vegan skincare store. Instead of manual setups, Alex types into ChatGPT, "Generate a Shopify checklist for cruelty-free products." Instantly, the AI outlines steps. Install the ethical merchandise plugin, integrate Stripe for donations to animal shelters, and apply GDPR-compliant cookie banners. With CodeWP, he converts ChatGPT suggestions into WooCommerce hooks for dynamic pricing on subscription bundles. Total time? 18 minutes. The takeaway? ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's your co-developer. Imagine writing 200 product descriptions for yoga mats. Sounds soul-crushing, right? Enter Maya, a freelance copywriter. She prompts ChatGPT to write 50 descriptions highlighting eco-friendly materials and anti-slip grips. The AI churns out options like, "Find your zen with our planet-friendly mat, crafted from recycled ocean plastics." Maya refines the outputs with SEO keywords, non-toxic, biodegradable, then uses Jasper.ai to bulk upload them to Shopify. Result? A 70% faster workflow and a 25% boost in conversion rates. The lesson? Let AI handle the grunt work, you focus on creativity. No photo shoot? No problem. Describe your product to ChatGPT, then plug that prompt into Midjourney or DALL-E and get pro-level shots in seconds. Use Pixel Cut to erase backgrounds or overlay text. Train ChatGPT on your brand colors for consistent visuals. Visuals make or break sales. Lena, a graphic designer, needs luxury watch images fast. She prompts ChatGPT, "Describe a Rolex-style watch on velvet, golden hour lighting, aspirational vibe." The AI's description fuels Midjourney, generating 10 stunning options. Lena picks the best, uses Pixel Cut to remove backgrounds, and adds a limited edition banner. A/B tests on Facebook ads show the AI-generated images drive a 40% higher CTR than stock photos. Bonus? The whole process took 20 minutes, not 20 hours. The secret? AI doesn't just create, it optimizes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Search engine optimization is ChatGPT's playground. Prompt: long-tail keywords for organic cotton baby clothes. Get gems like GOTS-certified pajamas or hypoallergenic onesies. Stuff these into titles, meta descriptions, and blog posts. Tools like Rank Math grade your pages and suggest fixes. ChatGPT can even write blog drafts. Explain why organic cotton matters for baby skin. Search engine optimization isn't a dark art, it's a science. Take Ryan, a marketer at a baby clothing brand. He asks ChatGPT, long-tail keywords for organic cotton pajamas. The AI suggests hypoallergenic organic baby sleepwear and GOTS-certified toddler PJs. Ryan plugs these into Yoast SEO, which greenlights his meta descriptions and header tags. He then feeds competitor URLs to ChatGPT asking, "Analyze their backlink strategy." The AI reveals gaps, and Ryan secures guest posts on parenting blogs. Result? Page 1 rankings in 3 weeks. Say goodbye to 3 a.m. support tickets. Tools like Tidio let you train ChatGPT on your FAQs, policies, and product specs. It handles returns, tracking, and even upsells. Recommend a matching wallet for this belt. Set up automated order updates and slash ticket volume by 50%. Meet Priya, a support lead drowning in tickets. She trains a Tidio chatbot using ChatGPT and her FAQ doc. When a user asks, "Where's my order?" the AI fetches real-time tracking data and replies, "Your package is 20 miles away. Expected Tuesday." Priya adds a playful GIF of a delivery truck. Post-launch, ticket volume drops 50% and CSAT scores hit 4.8 stars. The chatbot even upsells. Love your new yoga mat? Pair it with our cork block. The takeaway? AI isn't replacing humans, it's empowering humans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn abandoned carts into cash cows. Ask ChatGPT. Write a 3-email cart sequence with 10% off. It'll craft subject lines, body copy, and CTAs. Tools like Klaviyo auto-send these based on behavior. For holidays prompt, Valentine's promo email for handmade jewelry, playful tone. Watch open rate soar. Email marketing reimagined. Carlos, a digital nomad, prompts ChatGPT. Write a 3-email cart abandonment sequence for hiking gear, adventurous tone. The AI drafts subject lines, "Your trail awaits, 10% off," and body copy urging urgency. Carlos loads these into Klaviyo, triggering sends based on user behavior. The result? A 30% recovery rate and $12,000 in reclaimed revenue. He even A/B tests ChatGPT's suggestions against his old copy. AI wins by 15%. The lesson? Personalization at scale isn't a dream, it's a prompt away. Landing pages in a snap. Describe your vision to ChatGPT. Luxury skincare homepage with hero banner, categories, testimonials. Copy the structure into Divi or Elementor, then let AI tools auto-generate designs. A/B test headlines with ChatGPT. Which CTA converts better, Shop Now or Glow Up Today? From blank slate to high-converting masterpiece. Zoe, a web designer, describes her vision to ChatGPT. Luxury skincare homepage. Hero banner with videos, science-backed testimonials, and a quiz. The AI outlines sections and Divi auto-generates the layout. Zoe tweaks the CTAs, Glow Now versus Shop the routine, and runs a Hotjar heat map to validate ChatGPT's suggestions. The result? A 22% boost in add to carts. The future of design? It's collaborative, human creativity meets AI efficiency. Turn data into dollars. Dump your Google Analytics into ChatGPT. No data science degree needed. Now it's your turn. Start small. Go forth and automate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more website design tips and tricks.